Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, heated steering wheel, Duratrack all-terrain tires, Z71 package, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, on to the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with paneling cup holder storage in the bottom, equipped to the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with the wood and chrome accents. You got these black running boards here, and these leather heated seats, super comfortable. You got 2 and 4 wheels, as well as lighting control and vents on the left. Left side of steering wheel be your cruise control and heated steering wheel, and the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, and as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. So let's push to start. Classic home truck shifter. Then on to the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as you have access to your climate, Amazon Alexa, My Chevrolet, and Spotify, and you can access your rear camera with hitch guidance. Below that will be your dual zone climate controls with hill descent control, part of the Z71 package, and your auto stop. Below that will be your integrated brake controller with 2 USB ports, a 12 volt, and an AC wall port there. And of course you got center console storage with 2 more USB ports again, and an SD card reader. Passenger side, same finish but manually adjustable. Wood and chrome accents cross, double glove box, speakers and vents up top, some storage right there. And you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and you power rear sliding window. So you get these 20-inch wheels on Goodyear Duratrack tires. You're gonna have the Z71 badging, the black mirror caps, and then the body style keyless entry door handles. With a Truck Hero Low Pro tonneau cover, you get the paint match corner step bumper with the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and 5th wheel shunter with those Rancho shocks, the RST badging there. With the easy lift tailgate, you got 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port, and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, you get more paneling storage next to the speaker, power window with the wood and chrome accent. Off the back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear vents, and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as leather heated seats, Z71 package, RT Duratrack tires, and as well as so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.